Here's what our van ceiling light looked like after David accidentally rammed the corner of the TV into it while we were looking for his Crocs. This is a lesson in don't do this when you do a van build.
We inherited this mess.
He did not leave enough. Well, we broke this light. Putting the TV up. So we ordered new ones. But he didn't leave any extra on the wiring for the lights. So we basically had to take the whole roof apart. So now what are you doing?
So I'm just gonna hook in a little bit extra wire so it actually can reach the hole, because it basically went to about right here. And the wires were running over there from the light, so.
Oh yeah, there's a new light. It's really nice.
So we're gonna replace the silver lights with black lights, so it'll match all the rest of
our hardware.
Stuff. Probably gonna need some pliers though.
What are these things?
Wire connectors. So you put one wire in there, another wire in here, and then get your pliers.
And then you don't have to splice them together?
It does the splice for you.
What? Well, that's cool. That's a lot faster.
I'm done.
And then you don't have to worry about the tape coming undone and stuff, right?
Right.
Wow. Cool. You need your glasses.
Yeah, probably. Freaking old man.
This is a mess. I'm not sure what he was thinking.
Me?
No, not you. The guy that built this.
See if you can see that coming across. That'd be gorgeous.
No.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Success!
Boom.
That looks good. And it's replacing these. So now we just have 3 more.
Alright, so we have the same problem again. The wires are way up here where the connection is, and it doesn't pull through. We're like, oh, we can't do this. We're not going to be able to pull all this ceiling down. And all of a sudden I had this bright idea. Why don't I just cut these wires and wire to that? Be smarter, Dave!
Much better idea.
Cool.
All done. Just a few minutes.